let's explore powerful meals that help reduce arterial plaque and support long-term heart health.
Plaque buildup in our arteries is a silent process that impacts cardiovascular health over time.
While avoiding harmful foods is important, today we focus on what to eat for heart protection.
These foods actively protect, repair, and strengthen your cardiovascular system, keeping your heart healthy and resilient.
Before we plate our meal, let's understand the hidden processes behind arterial plaque and heart disease.
Plaque is a complex mixture of calcium, proteins, and cholesterol that accumulates on inner artery walls.
Often, calcium in this plaque originates from unexpected sources, like biofilms, which are colonies of microbes. These microbes build tiny calcium shells, acting like microscopic igloos to survive and hide from immune detection.
Once these calcium-rich plaques form, microbial communities often thrive underneath them, accumulating on damaged or rough artery walls.
Smooth, elastic artery walls are resistant to plaque, but inflammation creates an ideal landing zone for these particles. Oxidation and inflammation are triggered by excess sugar, refined carbohydrates, processed oils, and alcohol. These factors often lead to insulin resistance, triggering the production of LDL particles strongly linked to arterial plaque. LDL itself isn't the villain. It's a delivery vehicle, bringing cholesterol to repair damaged areas of the artery wall.
Plaque is a complex mixture of calcium, proteins, and cholesterol that accumulates on inner artery walls.
Preventing or slowing this process depends heavily on specific nutrients, especially vitamin K2, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Vitamin K2 acts as a traffic controller for calcium, directing it into bones and teeth, away from arteries. Without enough K2, calcium drifts to the wrong places, contributing to stiffness, calcification, and arterial hardening. Vitamin C plays a different, equally vital role by supporting the structure of blood vessels and gum integrity. Bacteria from the mouth can enter the bloodstream through tiny gum openings, a phenomenon known as bacterial translocation. This allows microbes to travel through the blood and attach to artery walls, the very beginning of plaque formation. Vitamin E, a potent antioxidant, protects the delicate inner lining of the arteries, known as the endothelium. It prevents oxidation, reduces inflammation, and improves oxygen flow to the heart muscle itself. To protect the heart, it's equally important to reduce omega-6 fatty acids and increase omega-3 intake. This balance helps calm inflammation throughout the body, including in blood vessels, constructing the ideal heart-healing meal. Now, let's bring all of this science onto the plate to design a single meal rich in heart-protective nutrients. The foundation of this meal is omega-3 fatty acids, found abundantly in wild-caught salmon. Salmon provides essential EPA and DHA fats that help keep arteries flexible and improve circulation. Regular intake of omega-3s can lower inflammation, reduce clot formation, and even help regulate blood pressure.
The next key food in this heart-protective meal is sauerkraut, fermented cabbage rich in lactic acid bacteria.
These microbes form a protective community in the gut, improving the balance of intestinal bacteria and supporting the heart.
Lactic acid bacteria act as natural ACE inhibitors, helping to lower blood pressure and break down biofilms. Arugula, a cruciferous vegetable, supports liver detoxification and helps balance blood sugar.
Arugula carries a natural bitterness that stimulates digestion and bile release, helping the body metabolize fats more efficiently.
To enhance this meal, sprinkle sunflower seeds over the salad. They are among the richest natural sources of vitamin E. Vitamin E supports smooth blood flow, prevents clotting, and maintains the integrity of heart muscle cells. Together, this triad forms a powerful combination that keeps blood vessels flexible and clear.
When the gut, mouth, and arteries are in harmony, the entire system begins to repair itself. Please subscribe.